Modular wall systems not only save time and money, but provide flexibility, noise management, and fire protection. Panel-Built's basic wall panel design is Class A gypsum wall panel. The gypsum is covered in vinyl, which comes in 3 standard colors, but custom colors are available. For increased safety, Panel-Built offers an ASTM certified 1-hour fire-rated wall panel. 1-hour fire-rated panels are composed of fire shield gypsum board with mineral wool, insulated core, and held in place with 26-gauge galvanized steel studs. Wall panels are installed with minimal on-site construction, which reduces dust and waste in the facility. Choose from unlimited layouts with 2, 3, or 4 wall design. Create additional space by adding a mezzanine above or below a modular building. The possibilities are endless with modular building systems. Strong, innovative, reliable. Contact us for a quote right now.